everyone, my name is Michelle and I work at the Office of Dr. Brand Speech Pathology and Services, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own homemade Jello Play-Doh. For this recipe, you will need 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, a half a cup of salt, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable or olive oil, and 1 package of sugar-free Jello. To the flour, add salt, cream of tartar, and mix. Have a parent help you on this next step. In a separate bowl, add your gelatin and your boiling water. Now mix until all the powder has dissolved. Now add your oil and mix. Now add your gelatin mixture to your dry ingredients and now mix together. Take the dough out of the bowl and sprinkle flour onto a flat surface. Begin kneading the dough with your hands. And there you have your homemade Play-Doh.